It's that time of year again, and that means it's the gift giving season. So whether you're looking to buy something for someone else or maybe even make an investment in your own studio, here are a few items that I like best in my studio.
My first must-have gift would have to be the sandpaper rolls. My favorite and most used are the German-made Starcke Matador paper rolls. They are 1 inch wide by 10 inches long. Once you've worn out the top layer, you simply cut this off and you are ready to go once again. These are great for metal removal both on the outside or even the inside of a shape or form. They have a 3/32 inch shank and can be used in both the number 30 adjustable chuck and quick change hand pieces. My next favorite and most used accessories would probably be the mounted satin finishers. They are available from really coarse to very fine, and they are great for rust, burr, and scratch removal, as well as imparting a beautiful satin finish on your metal pieces. They have a 3/32 inch shank for use in your favorite handpiece. When I need to do some quick and heavy-duty cleanup, then I reach for my belt sander. You can order this both with or without the number 30 handpiece, but I always keep one mounted in there so it's ready to go when I need it. It comes with 10 sandpaper belts with 3 each of 100, 180, and 240 grit. It also comes with a 180 belt installed. I like to pair this with my Foredom handpiece holder, keeping my hands free to hold my pieces for better control. Stone setting, texturing, and hammering has never been easier than with a hammer handpiece. Available both with or without a duplex spring, pair this handpiece with the anvil point kits and you are going to be ready to tackle any number of operations. You'll want to dress and alter the anvil points to meet all of your stone setting and texturing needs. The hammer handpiece should never be run above 5,000 RPM. Finally, no studio is complete without a way to polish safely. The lighted work chamber is comfortable and pairs beautifully with the MADC 20 dust collection system. The enclosed unit is comfortable with plenty of room for your hands with padded wrist rests. Plenty of lighting coupled with a magnifier on top make it easy for you to see your work. And when it's paired with a good dust collection system, the dust and polishing debris are pulled away and filtered and collected in a chamber that can then be emptied for metal reclamation.
Did you see anything that you'd like to add to your studio? As always, if you have questions, make sure you drop them down in the comments, and we'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays.